Hey folks, Mark Scroggins with Scroggins Law Group. One of the questions I get all the time is, oh my God, my spouse is leaving me. Can I wipe out this account? Well, let's talk about, there's a difference between can I and should I, and a question of timing, okay? If the lawsuit has already been filed, meaning the original petition for divorce, or if you have been served with it, the answer is you cannot do that without violating the standing orders of any big county around, with the exception of Tarrant, because for some reason they don't have standing orders. But if you're in Dallas or Collin or Denton counties, you're going to be violating the standing orders if you do that. That being said, if the lawsuit has not been filed, can you take money out of an account to make sure that you are taken care of? The answer is yes, you have that ability to do it. The question is whether or not it's appropriate. A lot of the time that question is going to come down to whether or not you are the moneyed spouse, and if there is a sincere fear that the monies are going to be taken, hidden, or absconded with by the other party. In those types of situations, it might be absolutely proper to take at least half of it, okay? If you've got questions about this, call us, we'll walk you through the process.